Hello guys, in the previous video, I'll show you how to send messages using Kafka Console Producer and consume these messages using Kafka Console Consumer. As you can see in the previous video, I only use one consumer to consume all the messages. But my question is if this consumer is down or something wrong with this consumer, uh, there will be some things if the app if the application will be down or not, or if we have a lot of messages existing in the topic, will be a good idea for the performance. So to reduce this, to improve this situation, we have a concept of consumer groups. Consumer group is a collection of multiple of consumer. So I will show this picture. As you can see, we have two consumer group, and in each consumer group we have a multiple consumer. So if one of these consumer is down, two lab of them will perform their work, and the application will still working. And this is a good idea for the availability. And if we have a lot of messages need to consume, uh, there are a lot of consumer consume these messages, and this will be a good for the performance. Okay, that's the reason why we need consumer group to perform to do a demo with a consumer group. Firstly, I need to go to the KAFKA library and open a terminal. Yeah. Firstly, I need to start a KAFKA server using Zookeeper server. Then I will open a new terminal and start a KAFKA server. Okay, we have a KAFKA server running on the port of 1992. I will open a third terminal. And thirdly, I need to create a new topic with 5 partitions. The command line will to use to create a topic with 5 partition will be Kafka topics. Point to the port, and the parameter will be create, and the topic for the topic name will be topic.name.my topic, and the number of partition will be 5. The concept of a partition I will teach you later. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we have a message created topic.name.topic. That means we are creating a topic successfully. The next step, I need to show the information of this topic. So I will use this command line, Kafka topic, and I will use the parameter of required, and I will enter the name of the topic. Here we go. We have information of the topic, and the number of partition is 5. Okay, we are done with creating a new topic. Let's move on to consumer group. Firstly, I will check if there is a consumer group running in the system or not. I will use this command to check it. To check if there is a consumer group running in the system, I will use Kafka consumer groups.bat and point to the port, and the parameter will be list. As you can see, there's nothing printing in the console. That means there is no consumer group existing in the system. So that's why we need to create one. So to create a new consumer group, we need to start a consumer using KAFKA console consumer, and we need to use the topic that we just created before, and use the parameter.group to create a consumer group. I will copy this and I will create a new consumer group in a new command line. I will hit enter. There's nothing happen here, so I need to come back to the third terminal, and I will use the previous command line to check. Sorry, yes. I will clear its off first. It's my bad. Yeah, I will this command line to check if there is a consumer group name consumer.name.myconsumer created successfully in my system. Yeah, we can see the name here. That means we are creating a consumer group successfully. The next step, I will check the information of the consumer group that we just created. I will use this command line. I will copy here to check the information of a consumer group. I will use KAFKA consumer group.path, and the parameter will be described, and I will pass the consumer group that we just created before. As we can see, as you can see, because we are creating a consumer, and this consumer will use the topic, and the topic that we just create, we have 5 partitions, and all the 5 partitions will point to the consumer name. Sorry, will point to a consumer group. That means you can see here we have 5 partitions, and all the 5 partitions will point to the same consumer ID. So the next step, I will create one more consumer to see what happened. Okay, I will open a new command line, and I will start a new consumer by using the command line. Okay, we already have a new consumer starting, and we are use the consumer group, a consumer.name.myconsumer. So I will start another consumer. So and point out to a consumer group that we just created before, and hit enter. Okay, now we have 2 consumers, and all of them point to the consumer group of consumer.name.myconsumer. I will come back to this command line, and I will check the consumer group again. Okay, as you can see, in the previous before creating a new consumer, we have all the partition pointing to the same consumer ID. Sorry, pointing to the same consumer ID, but then creating a new consumer group. We have after creating a new consumer and point to the same consumer group, we have 3 partitions point to the consumer 1, and another 2 will point to the second consumer, and that's why we so that's done with my with this example, that means we have two consumer in one belong to a consumer group and point to the messages in the topic. Okay, that's all for this video today. See you in the next one.